Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Jessica of touraddictnaija, and here we are at JJT Park in the heart of Lagos, Ikeja. The park is just close to the House of Assembly, Lagos House of Assembly. So it's a nice place to stay and enjoy some games, also take refreshments, or if you're waiting for someone, you can actually be here and wait. Oh my god, I didn't know that they are even caged, the parrots. So I don't know if you can see, guys, sorry about my picture quality. Let's see if I can go closer. Woo! So this, oh nice, you guys are pretty, really pretty. So here is the park in general. Here is where you can sit and have your drinks. I'll be going there soon to show you guys, but let's see the environment. So okay, that is showing adult toilets here. Adult toilets, okay. And oh my god, how many flags do you know? How many countries do you know? So I think this is the building for the House of Assembly, the white building there. Yeah, because that's the entrance. Okay, let me go closer so you can see the entrance to the House of Assembly. Oh my god, how can here be so peaceful in the middle of Lagos? Hustle and bustle. I'm sure you can still hear the traffic. Okay, so there is the House of Assembly. Let me zoom in. Yes. And basically this is it, guys. This is what here looks like. Okay, this faces looks familiar. Let me get closer to the faces. Okay, let me show you my back view first of all. Yep. Oh my god, the landscape is amazing. The landscape is amazing. Wow. Okay. Judging from this, he would have been a general. Oh, it's so windy. Then let's see this face. I think a note or something should have been. This should be MK or Abiola. I think so. I'm not sure, but there should be like a note or something to show us the heads that they are. Okay, this should be Tinubu. Yeah, because of the glasses. So because of the glasses, I hope I guessed right. Basically The name of this park is JJT. Okay, no one is here. This is Tinubu, yeah. So no one is here. Oh, and yes, this is all the local governments you have in Lagos State. Okay. So I hope you have an idea of places in Lagos. The name of this estate, like I am a said estate. Oh my god. The name of this park is JJT, which is Johnson Jakande Tinubu Park. Yes. So here is it, guys, and the flags. If you want to have an idea of which country, I think there is a written note on it to get to know which each flag represents. So this is Tanzania. Oh god, the sun is... This is Tanzania, and that is their flag. Oh my god, my eyes. So basically you get to see everything. But I think all this are okay. Let me not conclude. I wanted to say it's all African flags, but I'm saying the US flag there. So well, guys, this is it. So heading to the, will I call it reception, or where you can sit and have your drink. I think this building is the Secretariat. You get to see Ministry of Environment, Tourism, and all that in this building. Yes, this is it. Then this is that of House of Assembly, like I showed you. And this monument, I think, is that masquerade that Lagos is known for, the EU festival. Sorry, I'm not Yoruba. But you know, the masquerade that wears white and a hat and covers his face. So this is the I think this is just like an image showing you. Actually, that road looks like the king. Yeah, I should be right. Yeah, I know my history a little. Okay, guys, that's the playground. So when you have your kids over, you can allow them use the playground, and this is where you sit, drink. You have drinks and candies, ice cream, especially because I know they think you're bringing your kids. So, and food too. Oh my god, this landscape keeps killing me each time. I swear, the landscape is... Yep. Let me go take a seat. I'm here on a meeting, and I decided to show you guys this amazing park because I just love the landscape. The landscape is so amazing. I would have shown you each flag and their names, but when I take my camera up, the sun, the reflection is just... it's too much. My eyes can't bear that. Just know, I just love this. I just love Well, that's it for this week. I hope I go to somewhere else again amazing, so people should just keep calling me out. I want people to keep calling me out in this Lagos. Let's see this Lagos together. Have an amazing day and take care.